Hello and welcome everyone. So today is 11th of August 2021. Today I have couple of trades, but just one of them was executed. I got an entry and that also I was stopped out. So let us find out. Let us discuss what I had in my trading. I had Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel. I had this 5 minutes demand zone. Okay, of 610 rupees and a stop loss of 605. So unfortunately, the price plunged at 910 around 613, but it did not plunge more. So unfortunately, I did not get an entry. I hope I will get an entry around tomorrow or so. No problem. We will see it. Then another I had was UPL. UPL, I had this at a 15 minutes demand zone, sorry, supply zone. So this 15-minute supply zone, just when the prices today opened up here, it just, I was waiting for, but I was waiting for this candle for a type 3 means, not to come down and close here, but the it just went up, took all the stop means took the stop loss, but I did not had entered because it in the 15 minutes of the day start it made a huge bullish candle, so I was waiting for it to give a bearish signal, but after when it gave here it was like too much risk to reward, so I did not take this trade of UPL. Then another was Dr. Reddy. Again, it did not give an entry. It was a beautiful supply zone. The trend line was broken around here, right? So this trend line was broken by this supply zone. Today it just opened around here and plunged down, 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 down. So it was not. It was also a no trade. Another trade is CanBank, Canada Bank, Canada Bank. This was my zone. Also at 9:15 today, it came really, really close, and again it plunged down. And after that, it came after 3 o'clock. And my rule is that after 1 o'clock, I do not take any fresh trades. So this was also a no trade, no problem. Torrent Pharma. Torrent Pharma also you can see I took this supply zone, but this prices came really close and then plunged down at the morning only 9:15 only it came up and it plunged down, and since then it's going down and down and down and down. So yeah, no Torrent Pharma also no trade. Sri Ram Finance Transport, sorry. Sri Ram Transport. Let me see. This stock make me type his whole name. Come on. Sri Ram Transport. It was a it was also a beautiful supply zone, but also same story. 9:15 the prices came really close and then plunged down again after like 1 o'clock. It tried to come into my supply zone, but I did not took the trade because obviously the prices came really close and then went down. And I think so. Uh, According to my thoughts, like when a price comes really close to supply zone and then gives the move, all the unfilled orders of the supply zone probably are uh, filled basically, yeah. And if on a higher time frame like daily or 120 minutes hourly demand zone or supply zone, until it's that big, so I do not take intraday trades like this. Then this is Bharat Forge. Bharat Horse, I was little curious taking Bharat Horse, but I was pretty much confident that this trade was should give me a 2:1 or at least 1:1 because it was a beautiful resistance, and that resistance was accompanied by a beautiful drop based drop pattern, and the prices even came really close at 9:15 here and gave us the move, but then again it came like 11 o'clock, so it was not one, so I took the entry and it based for an hour or so, and then it just broke my supply zone and gave me stop loss. So we are hit by in the stop loss by this trade, right? Then RBL Bank, you can say like, yeah, it was also after like 1 p.m. entry, and it just went and up, and this was like after 1 o'clock. So I basically don't take trades after 1 o'clock because the in 2 hours our trade is not going to play out, specifically like intraday. Our trade, the probability of playing that the trade playing out is really really low. So it might play out, but I don't want to take that risk, right? Because it's the hard-earned money that we are betting on. So this is one of my beautiful trades, but the problem is that I was not in front of the screen at this time, and the prices is 9:15. You can see at 9:15 the price cake opened here, went up beautifully. It reacted from the supply zone and gave more than I think so 5 or 6:1, but I obviously in intraday who takes 5 and 6:1. I basically get out at 2:1 or 1:1 depending on the zone, and yeah, but I think I must should have been in front of the screen at this point of time, but unfortunately I was not, so that this trade was not taken. No problem. Well, so that was all my today's analysis and trades that played out and they did not play out. So of 11th of August 2021. So also I will also make a video of my trades for tomorrow, that is 12th of August 2021. So then I will upload it soon as possible. Okay. So thanks for watching and take care.